Felicity, you bring this town electricity. We're gonna black out without you.
Hi everyone, you may have guessed from my ridiculous double mirror setup, but today I'm going to be bleaching my roots at home in a global pandemic. Let's just say I'm a little bit worried about this, but yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to change into something I don't love so much and show you the products that I'm going to be using. Usually I get someone else to do the back of my head, so I'm a bit worried about this whole double mirror situation. I have changed into my classic bleach top. It is disgusting, and now I'm going to section my hair. Just a quick thing I forgot to mention, I recommend not washing your hair for like 3 to 5 days so that you're putting the bleach on greasy hair and not clean hair. So with sectioning, I tend to do it in 4 different sections. So I do a straight parting, like a middle parting, down the middle of my head, split that into 2, and then I go from the crown of my head down to my ear. Cool, so you see we've got a nice parting there. And then for the other side, so I'm going to mix in my bowl one of each of these. So this is a Bleach London 40 volume hydrogen peroxide and then a powder bleach. I'll probably end up using 2 of each of these, but for now I'm just going to mix up 1 and 1 because otherwise it can tend to go hard quite quickly. So I'm so nervous. Where have I put my brush now? Yeah, we just mix it up. You should also be wearing gloves, but I'm not going to because I don't know, if I commit a crime it'd be kind of cool to bleach my fingertips off. So cool, yeah, you just keep mixing it till it's like a nice consistency. Side note, I am not about to commit a crime, I'm just in the middle of watching Money Heist. So I'm just taking really small sections of my hair and painting the bleach on either side of the dark areas. Try not to go over onto the already bleached areas as this can cause potential breakage. As you can see, it's quite difficult for me, and this did take me a really long time because I was doing it backhanded in the mirror, but try to do this step quite quickly as the bleach will be starting to take action and you don't want the back of your head to be a different colour to the front. Sectioning is really important for this part as it ensures that you don't miss any sections and therefore don't have any dark spots among your blonde hair. This section is a little long, I just wanted to show you the whole process. Check out my socials, I've linked my Instagram, TikTok and my Twitter up there. It would be really great if you could support me. So yeah, now it's all on and now I just wait for between 20 to 90 minutes and I'll just keep checking it every like 20 minutes, see how much it's lightened. Okay, so I went and washed my hair off camera and let's just say it's very yellow, but I mean that was what we were expecting. Oh. Yeah, it is very yellow, but I mean we were expecting that, and now we go through the toning process, so don't be alarmed. But so yeah, right, onto toning. I'm going to be using Wella T18 toner with 7.5% developer, and I'm only going to leave this on for, let me see what it says. Oh, I'm freezing now. Up to 30 minutes, so not too long. I'm going to use 2 lots of this because I have quite a lot of hair. Right, here's for the big reveal. It is very yellow, but like I said, that is what we were expecting. It's a nice colour to be working with. Okay, so yeah, now my hair is this colour and I'm just mixing up the toner. Like I said, the Wella T18. So yeah, 2 parts developer, 1 part toner. I'll mix it up till it's like a jelly sort of consistency. Then you just start slapping this on and it starts going purple after a bit. Like it's white now and then it'll start going purple. This is the bit that makes the mess because it's wet, your hair is wet, and it looks white and then it goes purple. So if you get it on anything, it will stain it purple. Cool, right, let's go. This one you do not need to be as careful. I tend to just slap it on. Then I end up using my hands and treating it like it's conditioner. Get it all on the roots first, ideally, because that's the bit that obviously you need to lighten. And then I tend to put it on the rest of my hair after I've done my roots. This one you do not want to leave on for too long because otherwise it will turn your hair purple. And trust me, I have learned from my mistakes. I always used to think if I left it on for longer, then it would make my hair more white, but no, it just turns it purple. So I just applied this toner to my roots and then I went in and covered my whole head. However, I didn't take any footage of this, but I did, however, make a TikTok, so I'm going to link that in. Can't play it with the sound, obviously, as I don't want this to be removed for copyright, but you can imagine the song from Victorious playing in the background. You know, you ready? You ready for it? Louder, louder. Absolute banger. If you haven't watched Victorious, go and watch it now. It's lockdown, why not? But yeah, you can see how purple the toner makes your hair. So I am back after toner and it is not looking too bad. I'm just going to dry my hair and then show you what it all looks like. As you can see, that literally took me all day. It is now a pitch black. But here is the final result. I personally think it went pretty well. But yeah, so this has been my first YouTube video. Please give it a like and a comment. Share it with your friends. Follow my socials. Thanks. I thought I'd just finish this video adding some pictures and videos of my new hair. I am absolutely in love with it. It turned out such a nice colour. It's basically platinum, which is exactly what I wanted. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe if it was, and follow my socials.
I know it's easy to feel alone. Just know I'm there at the touch of your